Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Tudor Heritage Black Bay Bronze Bucherer Blue Edition reference 79250BB. So let's go ahead and open up the shopping bag. But of course, first undoing the ribbon that's keeping the shopping bag closed. And then of course, removing the contents from the shopping bag. So let's set the shopping bag to the side right there, or maybe on the right hand side perhaps, and we can go ahead and do the unboxing for the Tudor Heritage Black Bay Bronze Bucherer Blue Edition reference 79250BB. So you can see pretty regular looking Tudor box here. Let's slide the sleeve off from the box in just a second. Right there, revealing the watch box right there. So pretty regular, nothing too fancy here with the watch box. Let's lift the box lid from it and continue to unbox the contents of this watch box. Lifting up the sleeve to reveal a rather regular looking Tudor watch box as we've seen before. Let's lift the watch box out from its card box packaging, so giving you a close-up look. So as you can see, this Tudor watch box has the similar style, or the exact same style, with the vinyl top and wood grain bottom. And now let's go ahead and flip open the box lid right there to reveal the Tudor Heritage Black Bay Bronze Bucherer Blue Edition reference 79250BB. Now giving you a close-up look before I start handling it. So you can see it does have the signature Bucherer blue. So Bucherer, in collaboration with Tudor, have come up with this special example here. So the differences between this and the regular Tudor Heritage Black Bay Bronze is that this one does have, of course, the blue coloring around the bezel insert, as well as the watch dial or face, and it does have its blue fabric strap as well. Okay, so now let's go ahead and pop the watch out from its box, and I'm just going to leave the rest of the contents as they are, but of course revealing the other accessories that have come with the watch as well. So just quickly popping the rest of the contents out. So it does come with an aged leather strap, you can see, also with the Tudor pin buckle right there, the bronze Tudor pin buckle. And of course showing you the both sides of the strap right there. So this strap appears to be the regular strap that comes with the Tudor Heritage Black Bay Bronze reference 79250BM-0005, that variant of it. 003 and 004 comes with the beige and khaki straps. Okay, so nice good look, showing you the underside as well, just in case. And just going to set the watch straps down, shifting the box to the side, and then replacing that strap cover there. And now giving you a nice close-up look and making some fine adjustments to the background right there so it doesn't interfere too much with the foreground. So you can see it does have that lovely bronze color, of course. So this is a 43mm case size watch, so it is fairly large. And giving you some very good close-up looks at the watch before I start handling it. So you can see the bezel has a coin edge to it. And you can see the sapphire crystal is slightly raised. From the bezel surface. And of course giving you a look at the strap of the watch. And you can see the Tudor shield styling on the edge of the pin buckle. Right there, nice, good look. At this watch now. Right there, nice good look. And of course let's look at the crown side as well. Giving you a close-up look at the bronze crown and the Tudor rose inside of that crown. Okay, so now let's go ahead and remove the watch from its cushion. But before that, actually, let me put on a glove. And let's pop that strap off. So it is very tightly fitted, as you can see. So being very careful here. To remove the watch. So you now have a nice good look at the Tudor Heritage Black Bay Bronze Bucherer Blue Edition. And we're just going to move the straps to the side, or the aged leather strap to the side of the frame right there, so it doesn't interfere too much with the foreground as I show you the watch right there in my hand. So nice good look so far, nice and close up. And looking at the back of the case of the watch, you can see it is bronze as well. However, the case back is actually a steel case back with PVD bronze treatment. And just let me remove the tag that's on the watch. And setting it to the side right there. Giving you a nice good view. Oh, look at the Tudor Heritage Black Bay Bronze Bucherer Blue Edition. So now you should have a clearer view as to the thickness of the watch, as well as the overall dimensions. Right there. And now let's pop up the crown, of course. And give the watch a wind just to get it going. And now you can see the seconds hand has started to move. And now let's pop the, or lock the crown back down. And you can see the second hand starting to sweep away now. And let's move the hands to another position. Right there perhaps. To the traditional, almost traditional 10-10 position. And locking the crown back down. And once again giving you that nice clear view of the Tudor Heritage Black Bay Bronze Bucherer Blue Edition. And you can see that really rich blue on the dial with very nice contrasting of the gold surrounds on the hands as well as the markers. So nice good look all around. And of course there's only one thing left to do, is to see if we can strap it on. One hand strapping, not the easiest thing to do. Just about managed it, right there. And just to show you the strap length on my wrist. So I do have a 6 3/4 inch wrist, or 17.2 centimeters. in circumference. Now let's push that pin buckle or pin onto the buckle, and right there, giving you a nice look as to the position of that pin on the strap on my 6 3/4 inch wrist. So right there, giving you a nice good look at the watch. And how it sits on my wrist. And now I'm gonna pop the watch off. And giving you another close-up look. So that's the Tudor Heritage Black Bay Bronze Bucherer Blue Edition. Thanks for watching and happy ticking!